Today we're working with the garage door module fan. This is the GDM421. It's got dual pivot point, adjustable speed, installs in seconds, and it links up with your phone. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. All right guys, today we're working on the garage door module fan. This is GDM421. It's the dual pivot with adjustable speed, quick install, and it should link up with the phone. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Slide it in there. Okay. Let's see what we got. Open up right away, nothing much on the packaging. Let's take it out. We got an empty box and instructions. All right, here we go. There's our dual pivot right there, and this should just snap right into the module part on the garage door. Looking at the fan, so it's just got nice sturdy face, sturdy back. I'm not seeing any buttons or anything on the back or anywhere on the fan to change the speeds to work the adjustable speed like it says it has. So we're gonna have to see how to work that, possibly in the app, possibly on the keypad. Looking at the attaching part of the fan, we've got two hooks here. That's gonna hook in. I'm assuming it's gonna hook in right like this. And then we've got the latch lever right here to press to easy release it and get it out. It looks like we've got the little adapter here, and I don't know if you can see this, but it's jiggling just a little bit. Hopefully that's just to allow, because when you're putting it onto the garage door, it looks like that's going to be hard to get to, hard to see. So hopefully that just allows it to find the right spot, but a little concerning that it just wiggles. And not really sure if it's supposed to be doing that. We'll find out when we go install it. So real quick, just found this in the instructions, or in the little warnings and operator manual. There's a little sticker right down there. It looks like this is a little fan sticker that you can throw on the keypad for the garage door so that you can differentiate where the different modules are at. I'm gonna install the fan onto this module. So with these, real easy, just need to grab the base here. A little bit easier with two hands, but should be able to do it with one. So pull out from the bottom, and these little things release from the top. And then we've got number 3 here, so we know that we're working on module 3. When we go ahead on the keypad, we'll be sure to remember that. Looking right here where it connects in, the adapter piece that was a little bit loose on here, it looks like there's another one in here that's just a little bit jiggly, but it looks like it's got a concave on that, on all edges, so that this just slides nice and easy into that. Let's go ahead and see if we can get that to work. Go ahead and turn this like that, right there, and then just go in right there, and nice and easy, that just clips in right there. Okay, and let's see, good adjustment there, and nice dual pivot. Now let's try out, see if we can get that adjustable speed. Here we go, we got it set up on 3, so we'll go ahead and hit that. Oh, and you can hear it going. Go ahead and click it again. Oh, there we go. So we got a high speed, a low speed, an even lower speed, and off. Sweet. So there's our 3 speeds: high, medium, low, off. Great. Got the Ryobi app open for the garage door. Just got a new module. The new module just popped up on the display here. And so we got the fan, and it looks like this is a slider, not just a high, medium, low. So let's see, just turn that up a little bit. See if we can point this at me. Might be able to tell. That. There's kind of a little bit lower. Let's go up a little bit. Oh. Oh. Medium. Oh, kind of auto adjusts on it. Yep, another little auto adjust. And go all the way to high. So, hold on a second. there we go. There's a little bit of delay on that. So it looks like the app doesn't transmit right away, or at least it takes a couple of seconds sometimes. Sometimes it goes instantly, and other times it needs just a second to figure it out. But otherwise, yeah, that is rather adjustable. All right, guys, just finished up playing with the fan, got it installed, played around with it a little bit. Overall, pretty sweet. For the size of the fan, good power, nice little attachment. The app, overall, we haven't really been too impressed with the Ryobi Garage Door app. That could be improved upon, but the keypad, working great. Let us know in the comments below if you guys have the garage door opener, if you've got the fan, or if you've got any other modules. Let us know if you're having some of these same issues or if you're having different issues. Let us know what you think about the garage door module fan. If you have it, if you want it, what are your thoughts on it? Let us know if there's anything we should try with it, and what other modules we should try next. Have a good one, guys. The GDM421. Not much to say about this one. It's got dual pivot speed. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be throwing a module on. Not sure what I'm saying. Let's see. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be throwing a module on our new garage door. Stick around.